Hey, do you know learning coding can change your life? Hello and welcome to this video where we are going to talk about how learning code can change your life, how it will reflect in every sector of your life. Actually, learning programming is very important to grow yourself from different angles. Coding or learning is a process of developing softwares, applications, websites, or mobile apps. It requires some programming languages, some platforms to use, and by using those programming language, we have to develop these applications. But learning code can also reflect in other parts of your life, and it is going to change your life, the way you are living, the style you are having in your life. Everything will be affected with the skill of programming. So let us try to understand these changes in your life in three different steps. Before starting our video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos to support me so that I can give more video contents like this. So now let us jump directly in our topic where we are going to understand how learning coding can also reflect in other parts of your life. The number one, when you are using a programming to solve any problem by using an application, you are going to use problem solving skills. Now, when you are using problem solving skills, you are also having an habit to solve a problem in step-by-step manner. So in application, we have to write a code or a set of instructions to the computer to solve a problem. And these instructions are given in very systematic and step-by-step manner. It requires highly creative brain and the coding style. So that you can decompose the problem in small parts and then you are writing steps to solve that problem in appropriate manner. Now once you are having this habit to solve the problem in step-by-step manner and giving a proper instruction so that it will become very easy to computer, same thing also reflects in your life with other real life problems. Whenever you are facing a new problem, you are thinking about its solution, and not only solution, you are also thinking about how can we decompose the problem in smaller parts, and then we can have a systematic way or step-by-step approach to overcome from that problem. Now these problem solving skills are very important and useful in your day-to-day life, and therefore this problem solving skill also solves a lot of problem in your life, and it becomes an habit, and because of this habit it converts every problem in a step-by-step solution format. This is number one. The second one is expressing your creativity. When we are developing applications, we are going to write code for the front end, that is the screen which is faced by user, and there are some things that we have to think about. That screen should be easy to understand, and that screen should have attractive nature, and we have to write or design the screen in a such way that we have to get the attention of user to particular things. Now it requires lot of creativity, so you have to design the screen or an application or even a video or a game so that user will pay attention to that expected point. And it requires lot of creativity. You have to combine different colors, you have to combine different shapes, you have to use some proper words that will attract users attention, and this is the way how can we express the creativity so that your presentation will become easy. Now same skill we have to apply in our daily life. Whatever you want to present to others, that you can make it in a systematic and a creative way so that they will get attracted to what you are trying to present. Now this is a skill of advertisement. This is a skill of selling. If you are presenting your creativity to outside world, and if you are able to attract the attention of others to a particular thing in which you are very strong, and that is the skill, you can use this creativity to attract others and to make your life simple, and this will reflect in every thing of your life. Even if you are having a personal relationship with your friend or your family member, you can express your creativity so that you can get attention of the next person to a particular thing, and where you can present in which you are strong, what is your strongest point, what is your best point of your life, and that will be also reflecting in your relationships, the way, the style you are appearing in outside world, that will be affected because of this habit. And third one, that is already we have discussed in another video. The third very important point, why your life will get changed, because of new openings and new opportunities available in coding sector and programming sector. I have already given one video, what is the future of programming language and how it is useful in 21st century. I have given link in a description. If you have not watched that video, please go to the video, watch the video and come back again. Now, if you see, every business is using a technology. Every business now needs different applications and softwares. Without information technology, no business or no activity can learn. And therefore, programming or a coding is a futuristic skill. If you are a parent, then don't forget to teach your kids or your next generation different skills. And one of the very important skill that next generation has to learn is a coding or a programming. Even though there are a lot of different tools, programming languages, or there is a use of AI, actual and core program will not vanish. Artificial intelligence can write a program, but that program is already there in its database. It cannot think a new idea. It cannot have a new kind of logic, and therefore there will be a future for programmers, coders. The technology may change, the programming language may change, but the coding or a programming will be required in future also. In a survey, it is observed that till 2029 there will be 11% hike in demand of skilled programmers and coders, and it will open, the knowledge of coding will open a lot of new doors for your career, for earning money. You can start new businesses, or you can get a new career opportunity with the help of your coding knowledge, and it will change your life because lot of opportunities are available in the market and you can earn a lot of money, and therefore it reflects in your life and your life will become easy and prosperous. So these are the 3 points that will affect on your life because of your coding and programming skills. Learning programming is very easy if you know a proper path. Now, from where to start, what kind of mindset you should have, what kind of thinking ability you have to develop, what are the other skills those are supporting to the programming. So these are different things we have to learn. And if you see, a lot of data is available about this on internet or the courses. If you are learning 4 years, 5 years we are spending, and the actual thing what is happening in IT industry, one person is having a good logic, he is doing a crash course of 3 to 4 months and gets a good opportunity. Now, why these things are happening? Because exact knowledge which is expected by IT industry is not there with a student of engineering, and therefore again they have to go for some other courses or crash courses and other certifications. So I am recommending you should be good in principles and basics of programming, and then immediately you have to shift your gears and you have to understand what is the demand of IT industry, what is the need of IT industry right now, and this need is frequently changing. Every time new tool, new programming, new concepts are coming in the market, and industry needs those experts. Now, here is the key. If you want to become a long-time player in IT industry, and if you want to earn a huge income, you should have good knowledge of coding at basic level. The fundamentals must be clear, which is not going to change at all. And therefore, I'm always recommending, if you are new to the programming, start your journey from the basics. I have developed a model, programming expert model, for learners, those who are interested to learn programming in a fast track mode, in a proper implementation. With a proper implementation, I have designed a journey, a path from where to start and how to get different skills throughout the journey and get a good position in IT industry. And not only to get a good position, but stay in an IT industry as a programmer, as a developer, or as a designer for a long time and get a good and successful life ahead. If you are interested to learn these skills, please join my webinar where I am going to explain what is programming expert model and what are the different things that you have to learn in a programming. If you are a student, join the webinar. If you are already a professional but not in IT industry, join the webinar if you are interested to come in IT industry. So I have given 3 different things why the coding knowledge is going to affect your life and it is going to change your life. If you have got any value from this video, put your comment in a video and tell me what are other things, other habits those are affecting in your life, useful in your programming. So please put in your comment box. Your comments are always welcome. These comments are very helpful for me to get your feedback. So if you are interested to join my webinar, click on the link, and if you have got any value from this video, put it in the comment box. Thank you very much, and happy learning.